Sean Diddy Combs' legal team has filed a motion seeking his release on a $50 million bond until his sentencing on October 3. Previously, Combs was denied bail after being found guilty on 2 counts related to transportation for prostitution but was acquitted of racketeering and sex trafficking charges. Judge Arun Subramanian had asserted that Combs' lawyers did not sufficiently establish he was not a danger to any person, citing a reported act of violence toward a woman in June 2024. "You full-throatedly in your closing argument told the jury that there was violence here," Judge Subramanian noted. However, the recent filing mentions that Mr. Combs enrolled in a domestic violence program, in which he participated until he was arrested and incarcerated in connection with this case. His attorneys contended, Sean Combs is not a risk of flight nor is he a danger to the community or to any specific people. They emphasized that he voluntarily surrendered in New York before his arrest, had given his passport to his lawyers 6 months prior, and cleared his mortgage to secure any possible bail. The lawyers highlighted that aside from the June 18, 2024 incident, in which they argued Combs was provoked, there had been no violent behavior over the past 7 years. They referenced Combs' past documented abuse of ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura in 2016. "As we said in court, this jury gave him his life back, and he will not squander his second chance at life," they stressed, pointing out the impact on his 7 children. Furthermore, they indicated that his Mann Act charges were unprecedented in that they pertained to consensual relations with a long-term partner and that denying bail contradicted Justice Department policy. The motion also proposed that Combs would sign the $50 million bond and remain in his Miami home, with travel restricted to the Southern District of Florida and Southern District of New York for legal meetings. He would be under supervision by the U.S. Pretrial Services Agency and would surrender his passport.